Reading Pioneers is proud to present Nervous Nora and the Runaway Jello by Guy Hobbs, an Animals of Hullabaloo Zoo story. Not many people know that after the zoo closes and all the people go home, the animals lead very interesting lives. Nervous Nora, the elephant, is feeling very worried. It is Gerald, the too tall giraffe's birthday, and Nora has made a big strawberry jello for his party. But to get to the party, Nora will have to go through the insect house. Nora does not like creepy crawlies. They make her very nervous. Being nervous makes Nora shiver and shake. This is a problem when you are carrying a big strawberry jello. The more Nora shakes, the more the jello wobbles. She shakes and shakes. The jello wobbles and wobbles. It wobbles so hard it wobbles right off the plate. Oh no! Nora thinks. But instead of landing with a big splat on the ground, the jello lands with a plop. And then it runs away. What's going on? Thinks Nora. I have a runaway jello. Nora starts chasing the jello. She chases it past Leonard, the lazy leopard's hammock. She chases it around Reginald, the royal rhinoceros. She even chases it across the bridge over Henrietta, the happy hippopotamus's pond. But then, oh no, the runaway jello dodges into the insect house. Nora does not want to go in there, but she can't let the jello get away. After all, strawberry is Gerald, the too tall giraffe's favorite flavor. Despite feeling very nervous, Nora bravely chases the jello inside. Good day to you, Nora, calls Sydney the spider as she shimmies under his web. Quiet, please, whispers Beatrice the butterfly as Nora tiptoes past the sleeping slugs. She weaves through the massive moths. Hello, Nora! They wave. The insects give a huge cheer as she leaps over the 10,000 termites. Nora has made it through the insect house, and she is gaining on the runaway jello. Better still, she realizes she isn't nervous anymore. It turns out that creepy crawlies are not so bad after all. Then the jello comes to a screeching stop right outside the aquarium. It stops so suddenly, Nora nearly runs into it. How strange. The jello is now wobbling all on its own. Nora bends down to see what is going on. Then she laughs with surprise. Peering out from under the wobbly jello is Angus, the anxious armadillo. He looks very anxious indeed. What's going on, Angus? Nora asks. Why have you run away with my strawberry jello? Strawberry jello? Angus says. I thought it was one of those jellyfish from the aquarium. They make me very anxious. Nora smiles and helps Angus slide the jello back onto its plate. You know what, Angus? I think I might have learned something today that might help you be less anxious. Let's go to Gerald's birthday party and I will tell you all about it, she says. Thank you, pioneers, for reading with us today to the book Nervous Nora and the Runaway Jello by Guy Hobbs. I really enjoyed the open ending where Nora was just about to give advice to Angus on how to overcome his anxiety. Nora learned that insects aren't that bad after all. But I'm curious to see how she would explain this to Angus. The story was well illustrated and made this a lot of fun to read. To help support the author, you can purchase a copy of Nervous Nora and the Runaway Jello from Amazon and leave a review of your thoughts. I am very thankful for this opportunity to read the story with you today. To help support this channel, I have an Etsy store located in the United States where you can buy some Reading Pioneers merch like polos, puzzles, and even this cool mug. All you have to do is visit Reading Pioneers on Etsy to find my catalog of cool merch featuring our mascot, RP, the Red Panda. If you have a book you'd like to be read, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, so we can turn it into the next video. Also, it would really help this channel if you like the video, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to stay updated with future read alouds coming soon. Unfortunately, this is it for today's video. While waiting for the next story, remember to visit Amazon to purchase a copy of Guy Hobbs, Nervous Nora, and the Runaway Jello. Thanks again, readers, for joining us, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye!